That SEQ file is a PowerTracks Pro audio sequence, MIDI notes, and audio data arranged in a music production timeline for composition and arrangement work. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these music sequencing files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the SEQ file. I'll reveal it at the end. SEQ files are music sequence files for PowerTracks Pro Audio, a Windows MIDI and audio sequencing application by PG Music. They contain MIDI track data, audio clip references, tempo maps, and mixer settings for multi-track music production and arrangement. PowerTracks SEQ files use a proprietary format, storing MIDI note events, controller data program changes, and tempo information across multiple tracks alongside audio clip references, and mixer channel configurations, including volume pan and effect send levels. The fundamental reading standard for SEQ is set by PowerTracks Pro Audio from PG Music Inc. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows can load these files for listening, but deeper diagnostics or cleanup require audio-focused applications. To determine the correct decoder, right-click the SEQ file and select Open With. Prioritize PowerTracks Pro Audio if available. If it's absent, select another application. Compatibility often surprises people. If the SEQ file is still giving you trouble, relax. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, opening the file. Install PowerTracks. Pro Audio from pgmusic.com and open the SEQ file via File then Open. PowerTracks loads all MIDI tracks, audio clips, and mixer settings for playback editing and arrangement. Configure your MIDI output device in Options for proper sound playback. Next, converting to MIDI. In PowerTracks, Pro Audio open the SEQ file and use File then Save, then select Standard MIDI file format to export the MIDI data. This creates a universal SMF file playable in any MIDI-compatible software, while preserving note data, tempo, and track structure. Finally, exporting audio. Use PowerTracks Audio Render feature to export the complete sequence as a WAV or MP3 file. Configure the audio output settings including sample rate and bit depth. The rendered file includes both MIDI instrument audio routed through your synthesizer and any recorded audio tracks. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.